Hey, what's up, everybody, and welcome back to Code Interpret. So, today we're gonna see how we can add a background color on a PNG file. A PNG file that is basically um, a vector art that has no background or a transparent background. Okay, so let's import the file. All right, there you go. So, I have this dragon. So, all you gotta do is just come to the fill property, press the plus sign, and then make sure that this is the what do you call the solid is selected, and then select pick a color you want. And let's say we take this. So by default, this is the opacity is gonna be 20. Just make it 100. It disappears. So come over here, drag, press left click, and drag it to the bottom, and there you go. Goes behind the image layer. And this is how you add a background color to a PNG file that has a transparent background. Good. All right. Thank you.